guys, so I'm back again with another Hello Fresh meal. So this one is Put Your Feet Up Chicken Korma Tray Bake. Bestseller, it's done in 30 to 35 minutes. Pantry items needed is just oil, salt and pepper, and you just need a baking tray and a bowl. So how easy is this one going to be? All the ingredients are here. Like I said in the other video, it was $13.99 for 2 people for 2 meals. And that was the 50% off at the moment as well for everybody online. The next week it does go up, and then the next week it goes up as well. So it's not $13.99 for the other weeks, it's only for your first week. You can cancel whenever you like, so you could just do the $13.99 one and then cancel it, just to see whether you like it or not. Because, you know, do you like it? Do you not? Do you think it's cheaper to buy the stuff from the supermarket and do it yourself? I don't know. But I'm going to try this. I'm going to make this up and see what it's like. And I suppose you get no waste either. Now, I got the chicken thighs as it came with because you had to pay a supplement if you wanted breasts. So this is what I will say with HelloFresh. There are loads of supplements if you want different things. So like the chicken breasts were more money. If you want a couple of like more premium type of meals, you do pay extra for those as well. So I just got the plain $13.99, 50% off, and came with the thighs. And that is the korma tray bake made up. So I put the chicken in the air fryer with the korma paste on, and the potatoes in the air fryer as well with the seasoning on. I'm not going to lie though, the potatoes still look a little bit powdery. I don't know whether it was too much powder, but that's what they told me to put on. And then you put the mango chutney on the top, and you also put it in, pop you down a bit, on the coleslaw as well. So I'm going to give it a taste test. I do think that you've got quite a lot of chicken there. You've got 1, 2, 3 on this plate, and I have got 2 on this plate here. So let's give it a try. Really succulent as well because it will be the thighs. Let me just go down a bit. Get some potatoes on here. Let me just try one of these potatoes on its own. Me personally, I'm not very keen on the spice mix. Let me try this chicken. I'll try that on its own. It doesn't taste very korma-ish. I probably wouldn't have this one again. I mean, I picked this one because on the picture it did look really nice, and I love chicken korma. Let's try the coleslaw with the rocket in it as well. See, that's tasty. You got all the coleslaw mix, and then you added in the mayonnaise and some of the mango chutney. So that's nice and flavoursome. And let me just try this chicken again. I mean, it is really moist. I know people don't like that word, but it is moist because it is the thighs. Let me just try those. All in all, it's just a little bit dry. I just think it could have done with some more sauce or something like that. Maybe even better with rice. You could swap your potatoes with some rice in your store cupboard if you've got it. I wasn't too overly impressed with that one, not gonna lie. Whether I chose wrong, I don't know. I just fancied it. So yeah, have you tried this one? Did you like this one? To me, I wasn't getting korma out of that. It tasted more like just basic curry powder from the supermarket. And yeah, I didn't particularly like the potatoes that went with that. Would have preferred it with rice. So guys, that was my 2 reviews on the 2 HelloFresh choices that I made. I didn't mind the salad. Would I buy it again? I mean, I might buy it again. I'll see. I'll see. I'm going to try the Gusto first and see whether I like that one more so. Perhaps I chose wrong, but I was expecting more from that. It just looked really nice on the picture. Okay guys, that's it from me. Bye.